Hello guys, I'm just gonna go show you here. I actually crashed my Avata over here in this tree and how durable this thing is. It's just amazing. Look at it. Wow, it just fly off and it just stay back and win again. And over here and also hit it again. You can see. Wow. But anyway, I'm just showing it to you. If you're new, if you've never really like flown this Avata drone, or I would say even an FPV, the first version of it. I think the motion controller is way to go because it's the fact that you got basically a precision, accurate ways of flying this. If you're not really an expert yet and you never really experienced it, especially flying through these trees and go through it, I would recommend it in my experience it because I'm over here right now. Playing it around, I feel like I got more confident, flying through trees and the stuff that I have to go through. It's kind of like make everything easier. And you can see I'm actually using my iPad Pro first just to see, you know, if I can just use the screen. But I preferred also the goggles. It's just more precision, more accurate, if you're nearby the trees. And yeah, it just make it easier to go through it. And you have that break, you can pause and the thing would just immediately break too. So easier for you to recover your drone before hitting the wall or hitting the tree or hitting any obstacles. And you can see I'm just flying it around and I'm just showing you my experience and here you guys go. In passing these trees. And here you go, that's where I'm at. That's where the drone is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the goggles. Actually, is it on? And it's recording. The goggles, a little bit more precision. And over here is always good because you can always, it's just more precision when you're using the controller. Look at that, like you don't have to worry about like over control. And when you freak out, you just brake. And then there you go, back again. Come this way. And you can actually fly low with it. Let's go ahead and go to this bridge here. And here you go. Uh-oh. Yeah. So I'm on the bridge. Wow, look at this. And then you freak out. You just pause and come back. It's good for, I would say, just practicing around. Look at it. Wow, look at that precision. Wow, and then come back this way. And this guys is very tight trees. Look at that. Wow. It just impacts. I just hit something. And then I go back this way. And then go back. Okay. And it's good. Look at it. That was a little hard hit. You know. It's gonna happen because I meant to do it. I'm going high speed, but if you go slow, definitely not gonna happen. So you are going to crash eventually. But having that hit, the drone still able to manage without no problem. It's amazing what this thing can do. Look, he just braked out again. Awesome. And I'm right here. Come back this way. And I got
50 something seconds. So let's go ahead and go back this way with it. Look at this. Wow. And then I'm here. And let's go ahead and put it in sport mode. And let's go from here. Really cool. Look at that. Woo-hoo. I mean, I know there's no like, I would say lines out here, but you always want to know where you want to fly at. So yeah, sport moding. Look at that, guys. That's where I'm at. Then I'm gonna go ahead and raise it up. Come back this way. And then of course I pause it right there. Here you go. So I got how many more minutes? I got 49% battery. Yeah. Coming over here with it. Boom. And then look at this. Wow. Wow. Woohoo. And then pause and pick it up on sport mode. I'm back in normal mode. So that was fun, guys. Exactly. And then take it on the pause again. Mm-hmm. You just practice yourself how to do this and you get to go. And then, oh, look at that. Wow. Precision, guys, precision. Coming back this way. There's trees in there. You can actually, a little mini branch, you know. Yeah, so actually the controller not bad. The joystick. It's like a, look at that. You just gotta have that smooth turn too to it, you know? It's like not over. I mean, look at this, guys. This is like passing to Mini 3s here. Wow. Woohoo, woohoo. Hit it again. Smack that 3. And back here. Wow. What's the damage? Yeah. No damage. Look at that.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.